Hi, welcome to the video training series. My name is Carl. Today we're going to look at the hyperlink report and checking hyperlinks. On this particular page I've actually got some hyperlinks already placed. I've got this one pointing to About Us. I've got this one going down the bottom here, going to a PDF, and this one pointing to the Contact Us page. Now I'll just go to Preview. Okay, so you see one link, another, and another. Okay, now to check the old style links, if we select File and then go to Check Hyperlinks and Find Links, there is none and it is processed, so it runs through a scanning system. Now another way to check is to go to Hyperlink Report. Now we can see here that we've got hyperlinks. This is where they're coming from and where they're going to, and we have an error here saying page does not exist. Okay, I'll just close that. Now one thing to keep in mind is that the hyperlinks are actually pointing to the URL, which is in Page Properties, and the URL name. So if you set hyperlinks first and then go through and change your URL, the hyperlinks won't work. Okay, I'll just go OK to that. Now we'll just look at the web page. Now we can see that we've got a link there, a link, and a link, and this is the one that's broken. So if I select Contact Us, it's going to give us what's known as a 404 error, which means it can't find the page. Now this style of error is not good for search engines like Google, because when they come through and crawl your site, they get to this point and you actually score against you. So when you do hyperlinks, always check to make sure they are right. In a situation where you do have a broken hyperlink, just double click and we'll take the code out. That's the code between the brackets before the word and the code in the brackets after the word, and we select Insert Link. We'll go back to Contact Us or Contact, go OK, and then save and close, and now we'll synchronize. Okay, that's synchronized. Now we'll just check our hyperlink report again. Okay, and now we can see we have no errors. Obviously the more links you have, the longer this page will be, and it is good practice to check your hyperlinks always to make sure that they are operational. And if you link to an external website, from time to time do check, because other people's websites do change. So you might have a website pointing to your supplier, they change the page and all of a sudden there's an error, and that also is very bad for search engines. Okay, that concludes this session. Thank you very much and stay tuned for more.